And you know what? Drink some kefir. It's very healthy for you. And actually, I'm gonna have some kefir right at this moment. So I'm just gonna pour some kefir in my glass, and I'm gonna have some kefir. That's delicious. Nice, yummy, delicious, healthy kefir. Try some. It's good for you. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hazel, the Israelite woman, and today's video is about kefir. Yes, kefir is one of my favorite drinks. My family love kefir. Yeah, we make a lot of things with kefir. Okay, one of our favorite is like a kefir smoothie, and we also make kefir yogurt. Now I have my kefir that I put to ferment overnight, and now I'm ready to pour it out and store it in my jar and re-ferment. So let's get to the video. All right, so I have this is my kefir that I had fermenting overnight. I'm just going to open the jar. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Ooh, this is good kefir yogurt. Look, nice and thick. And I'm going to use my strainer and plop that out. I'm just going to tap it like this. Okay? That's what I usually do. I just tap it. Now I have my kefir grain for about 6 years. Yeah, I have this kefir grain for about 6 years. I have separated them. I've given to my mom. I've given to my friends. And it just keeps going. This kefir grain was a gift from a very nice lady from Egypt that we were co-workers. And she gave that to me years ago. And I mean, they just keep multiplying like crazy. Okay, so this is what my kefir grain look like. Look at that. So nice and healthy looking. I have so many little babies in there. Look at that. Look at that guy. Look at the babies. They're hanging. See? So actually I have too much for this jar, but I'm not gonna change it out. Why? Because I like my yogurt to be nice and thick. So this amount makes my yogurt really, really thick. I'm gonna show you how thick it is. Okay? My goodness. It's very thick. Okay? Very thick. Amazingly thick. You can just add some strawberries or whatever fruit you like and eat it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside because I'm gonna I'm going to just put it in my jar right away. So I'm gonna store it in my jar. Get everything in there. I'm gonna store it in there for now because I'm gonna have some later. Okay? As an afternoon snack. And close that up. Put it aside for now. And now I put back my kefir in there. I always put a label on it when I leave it on the counter because my kids, they love milk. And they're constantly drinking milk. And if I leave my kefir outside, they may just pour it out for milk. We run out of milk so regularly because my kids, they drink milk like water. Now, yeah, I have 5 kids, right? So yeah, and even myself, I drink a lot of milk. So I put a label just in case they see this milk jar outside and they go, and then the kefir comes out, you know. Anyway, so they know it's fermenting kefir. I always do that. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add milk, as I'm gonna re-ferment this kefir. Okay, and add milk. Add some more milk. Yeah, I tend to do like this amount. Okay, that's enough for me, my husband, and everybody else. So, and usually my kids, they don't like it like straight like this. They don't like it like straight like this. They add milk. Add milk to it. That's how they like it. So they'll put like half a glass of kefir and half a glass of milk with some vanilla essence, whatever. That's how they do it. Okay, me, I just drink it like that. Sometimes I add milk, sometimes I don't. It depends on how I feel, but I love it in smoothies. We all love it in smoothies. So yeah, so there, put my milk in there. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more in it. I think I need a little bit more. I'm gonna bring it up more because my husband drinks a lot of kefir, so I'm gonna make a little bit more. So yeah, this is, so I'm done. My kefir and my milk is in there. And all I'm gonna do is leave it right here on my counter until tomorrow morning, and I'll do the same process over again. Just strain it, put it in a jar, put it in my fridge. Okay, so this is what I strained today and put it in my fridge. And very simple. Now, why should you use kefir? Kefir is a fermented drink. It contains loads and loads of probiotic that is excellent, excellent. I can't stress that, for your stomach, for your overall health. I mean, this is awesome for your gut. I'm not gonna go over how kefir was, how people found out about kefir. You all know that, it's out there. You can Google it up, whatever, whatever. So kefir is amazing, and this kefir, it's the best kefir. When I mean this kefir, I mean when you actually have the kefir grain and you make your own kefir, it's the best. Now, as I said, I had this kefir over 6 years, and the amount of probiotic that must be in this kefir grain, I mean, it must be amazing, amazing, amazing. Because what I do is, when I pour my kefir out, I always put back a little bit, just like of this kefir, add it here. Okay, I don't know if you noticed, but when I strained it out, I left a little bit in the bottom. So this probiotic keep mixing up with the milk, and it just makes thousands and millions of probiotic is in there. Okay, so it's a very rich drink. Good for small children, good for elderly, everybody. Okay, kefir is awesome. So if you don't like the taste, you can add sugar to it. You can put it in your smoothie, but I'll advise you to try some kefir. Okay, it's very healthy for you. So thanks for watching my video. Thanks for coming along, and stay healthy, stay beautiful, and remember that you are beautiful. It doesn't matter what anybody say.